When my team won the championship, we all went bananas.
Go bananas. To become very excited or angry.
The test was a piece of cake. I finished it in just 10 minutes.
Piece of cake. Something very easy to do.
Lisa accidentally spilled the beans about the surprise party.
Spill the beans. To reveal a secret.
I know everyone loves that show, but it's just not my cup of tea.
Not my cup of tea. Something that is not to one's liking.
I forgot my wallet at home, so now I'm in a pickle at the grocery store.
In a pickle. In a difficult situation.
Getting a bonus at work was the icing on the cake after my promotion.
The icing on the cake. An extra good thing that makes something even better.
He tried to butter up his boss before asking for a raise.
Butter someone up. To flatter someone to get something in return.
It's no use crying over spilled milk. Just learn from your mistake and move on.
Cry over spilled milk. To be upset about something that cannot be changed.
I can't take on another project. I already have a lot on my plate.
Have a lot on your plate. To be very busy with responsibilities.
The new iPhone is selling like hotcakes. It's already sold out.
Sell like hotcakes. To sell quickly and in large amounts.